Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. In general, our setup that we have discussed in the weekly research starts to work. Yesterday, it's just minor adjustment to overall setups that market has shown some bit high acceleration, so the upper direction has stopped not at the 3.8 resistance as we have suggested initially, but at the 6.18 resistance. But that is just has no real impact on overall picture and the price action that we have discussed, and mostly we'll continue to watch for. So on the daily chart, we have come to the conclusion that recent action mostly looks as bearish. Some kind of this spike here is grabbing of the stops and wash and rinse of this previous stop, and it should get some kind at least minor continuation. Maybe this will not lead to the drastic reversal or will not drop market right to 12 even, but at least some minor intraday ABCD pattern is possible, some deep retracement here is possible. The one tricky moment here, guys, is that yes, the market actually has formed bullish grabber here. Let's take a look. This was trend bullish, market has dropped below, open actually, below the MACD line but closed above. And this pattern theoretically suggests taking out of this top. That's why we should be extra careful to some moments on the intraday charts. So if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame, market stands in the same channel that we have discussed. We have the bearish divergence, evening star pattern that we also have discussed in our weekly research. And take a look on the 4-hour time frame chart. Market has formed two side-by-side bearish grabbers. Both of these grabbers suggest taking out of these lows. And so overall picture looks the same as we have seen it in the weekly research. And right now, market is coming to the most important moment. So here's our head and shoulders pattern that we have discussed. Indeed, take a look. Upward action on Monday has started with a gap down. Market has completed this ABCD pattern. Sorry, this ABC top 1618 target has been hit. Butterfly also has been hit. Market has started upward action immediately as this target has been touched. So here this part of the trading plan has worked perfectly. On the way up, with this recent acceleration, this small spike has led market to the 618 resistance, not to the 3.8, but 618, 1293. But in general, it brings some adjustment to the head and shoulders shape, but it doesn't make it worse. So head and shoulders still looks very nice. As a result, here we're coming to the final point of our trading plan is the extension. So this could be A, B, C, bottom, D patrons should lead us to the 1272 area approximately. That's the target of daily confidence support, 1267, 1270. That's our major idea on the gold market. So here we should get some kind of the breakout and downward action. So as I said, market is coming right now to the most important point. So it comes to the neckline and it should break it down. Because if we will see some signs of the weakness here, the market will not be able to do this, will not break it down and will start to move up, that will be not natural behavior, and that would suggest that this daily grabber will work. So to erase this grabber, market should drop below its lows, and its low stands approximately at 1280. But simultaneously, these lows are the same as here, so this is actually the breakout of the neckline should happen, just to confirm the head and shoulders and start to move down. So that's the moment that we should keep an eye on right now. But overall, other points, so its in general setup looks very nice and it's very clear. We have clear pattern, so let's keep watching, and indeed will work. And this 1270 is the destination point.